Hello, everyone. So, I am so excited to bring you part one of a four-part training series where I'll be teaching you my entire framework for how I build strategic websites that actually work to bring you more clients. So, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to build um, an ideal client and how to better understand who that person is without getting more confused with an ideal client avatar, which is a super common thing taught in our industry and it doesn't work. So I'm going to walk you through step one of my framework today, which is all about strategy. Obviously, we cannot build anything on your website without having a clear strategy for what we're doing and how things are going to work. So I'm going to be walking you through all of that in this video. So, if you don't know who I am, my name is Amanda Berg, and I'm the founder of the Website Workroom. We are a female led copywriting and web design studio based in Philadelphia. And we have helped more than 100 female entrepreneurs grow and scale their business by writing strategic copy and building high converting websites. So I am going to be teaching you, like I said, all about step one of this framework and of my process in this video. So I'm going to be referring to my notes. So if I'm looking off to the side, that's what I'm doing, but I don't want to miss anything. So number one, we are big believers that everything related to your copy and web design must be intentional. We are not writing copy to fill text boxes, and we are not designing a site without a clear copy direction. One of the biggest mistakes that I notice with entrepreneurs is that they want to grow this big six-figure business, but they don't know who their ideal client is. And this is so common, but you cannot build a major scalable business until you understand who your audience is that's going to purchase from you. So once we are clear on this ideal client, that can control our brand voice that we use to speak to them. This will be how we speak, of course, our word usage. And I'm going to be teaching you all about that in my new workshop, the Website Workshop. So first, I do not believe in ideal client avatars. I don't believe that they work. And ideal client avatars, if you're not familiar, is where you create a fictional person that you'd love to work with. But the problem is that so many entrepreneurs pick out superficial qualities about this imaginative person that don't actually matter or control buying decisions. So if I was to say that I want to work with a millennial that drives a Jeep that shops at Urban Outfitters, right? I'm creating this imaginative person in my mind, but none of those things actually control her decisions on whether or not she wants to work with me. So I want you to ditch the ideal client avatar concept, and instead I want you to follow this. So the best indication into who will buy from you in the future is who has already purchased from you in the past. So that's why I believe in identifying who your favorite past clients are and interviewing them to best understand why they chose you, what message stuck out to them, and what they enjoyed about the experience that you provided, whether that was your process or the results that you were able to give them. So this means creating a set of interview questions and coming to your past clients, your favorite past clients, and asking them these questions for market research. And I'm going to teach you exactly what questions to ask, how to conduct these interviews, and then what you're actually going to do with the information that you collect and how that's going to influence your website design. I'm going to be teaching you all of that in my signature program, the Website Workshop. So the cart opens for the workshop on August 31st. This will be an introductory rate, several $100s off from what it will be the next time we launch in 2021. So I want to make sure that you are on the wait list for this program. I'm going to put the button below this video, but I'm going to be walking you through super in-depth, all about your ideal client, how to build a process and a service that will actually attract those ideal clients, how to write all of the messaging for your website, and then how to build a website that uses that messaging in a high converting and, of course, beautiful way. So click the button below this video to sign up for the waitlist, and I cannot wait to see you inside of the website workshop.